Is your UTV ready for the streets? The KEMIMOTO Turn Signal Kit promises to make your Ranger or RZR street legal with a plug-and-play installation. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This kit is designed for 2018 plus Ranger XB 1000 Crew XB 1000, excluding Ride Command or Northstar models, and 2014-2023 RZR XB 1002 4-seaters. Compatibility is key, so double-check your model before ordering. The big selling point is the no wiring needed claim. KEMIMOTO provides a pre-wired harness with labeled connectors for the power, horn, switch, lights, and ECU. In theory, this simplifies the installation process significantly. The kit includes a turn signal switch, a hazard and horn switch, a power adapter harness, specifically for the RZR XB 1000, an ECU, a 110 dB horn, 4 LED signal lights, and all the necessary connectors and mounting hardware. The inclusion of a horn is a nice touch for street legality and general safety. The turn signal switch offers 2 flashing modes, a short press for 5 flashes and a long press for 18 flashes, both with auto-off functionality. This is a convenient feature that prevents you from accidentally leaving your turn signal on. The amber LED lights are designed for high visibility in various weather conditions, which is crucial for safety. The 110 dB horn is loud enough to get attention without being obnoxious. It's a good balance for alerting other drivers and pedestrians. The kit also integrates with the factory DRL, daytime running lights, eliminating the need for cutting or splicing wires. This is a major advantage over some other kits on the market. Overall, the KEMIMOTO Turn Signal Kit seems like a well-thought-out solution for making your UTV street legal. The plug-and-play design, auto-off flashing, and included horn are all valuable features. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to add turn signals to your Ranger or RZR, this kit is definitely worth considering. It simplifies the process and enhances safety on the road.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.